Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have my part 2 Sephora haul to show you. So I did a Sephora haul a couple of days ago. I have most of what I got during the Sephora sale on that haul. However, the more expensive stuff, the pricier stuff is definitely in here. I blew my budget on one specific item and I can't wait to show you. If you guys love hauls, if you're excited for today's video, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up. Also remember that the Sephora sale is now available for VIBs. So if you are a Sephora VIB, you can now get 15% off with code SAVINGS. Please click on the links down below if you're interested in anything or to access the sale. If you plan on purchasing anything, I have a general link down in the description box. When you shop my links, you help my channel. Now let's go ahead and open this box because I cannot wait to show you the goodies that I got. This video is probably not going to be too long because even though what I got is pricey, there's just a few items in here. The first one I want to show you, I'm actually already wearing because I wanted to show you them on, and that is press-on nails. If you've watched my channel for a while, you know it's been probably close to a year since I've been into press-on nails. They're just easy. They last me 2 weeks, sometimes a week and a half if I do the most with my hands, and they're just so affordable. You can change your styles often, and honestly a lot cheaper than going to the nail salon. I just got tired of going to the nail salon because if you go and pay like $40 to $50 to get your nails done, they do kind of a shitty job most of the time. You have to go to like a specialized place in order to get actual beautiful nails done, and that is probably $100 to $150, and I just don't want to spend that much, okay? Anyways, I bought this from Nails Inc. It is called the Tonal Nails. It has 24 nude tonal tipped artificial nails that you can just glue on, and like I said, usually they last me 2 weeks, and I'm really bad at like keeping them on because the moment one nail fails me, I have to jank them all off. It's a thing. Don't judge me. Anyways, here's how my nails looked right before I started filming this video. I had taken off my black nails that I had in my last video in order to get ready to put these on because I was so excited to have them. And here is what my nails look like right now. I am obsessed with how classy these tonal tips are. Things look really pretty over here. I like that these are not too long because it's hard for me to type the description box of the videos with long nails. These are more like mid-size nails. I do have one complaint, and this is probably not something that happens to everyone, but I used to suck on my thumb when I was little. And so this thumbnail of mine is wider than this thumbnail of mine, and so because they all have different tones, obviously if you put on the same size on both hands, the tones are going to match perfectly. But for my thumb, this one is one size smaller than this one here, and so I have two different colors. Does it bother me? Not really. I feel like it's not something that anyone will notice, but I wanted to tell you in case you have different size nails like I do. All of these are the exact same number on each hand, but my thumbs, because my nails are different sizes, are slightly different colors. Anyways, I will have to report back to you on how long these last. I did really like that it comes with a little file, so you can file off the top of your nail a little bit. That definitely prolongs the wear of your nails a lot. I tried the glue that came in here because I wanted to test out the Nails Inc. glue in case I want to continue to purchase these in the future. I've been really into the Glamnetics nails, and they have amazing nail quality and their glue lasts forever. Those definitely last me the full 2 weeks. And I do have a discount code with Glamnetics. They have all the different styles. This is a Sephora video, but you know, I'm going to do a shameless plug. I believe with code PATTY, just PATTY, you can get 10% off on the Glamnetics website. So if you're interested in press-on nails, I swear by those, and I'll have to report back to you on these Nails Inc. ones, but I feel like if they're at Sephora, they're probably really good quality. Anyways, mainly I'm just obsessed with this style. They're so classy and so perfect for the fall season. I love. Also, the perfect size. The next product I bought was something I recommended in my Sephora recommendations video, and it is this right here, the Charlotte Tilbury Dreamy Superstar Glow Kit. By the way, if there's a little bit of echo in this room, I apologize. I used to have carpet and I changed it for floor, and so now I have a little bit of an echo problem, but I should be fixing that in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to buy some stuff for the wall to absorb the sound waves and that should fix the issue, so I'm sorry. Anyways, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Dreamy Superstar Glow Kit, and in here you get not one but two Charlotte Tilbury highlighters, which I love. I don't recall Charlotte Tilbury ever making small sizes of her highlighter before, so this is definitely a wonderful way to try them. They're also really cute travel size. They do not occupy a lot of space, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you. Here's the Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight. This is such a wonderful and universal highlighter shade. Also, the best thing about these liquid formulas from Charlotte Tilbury is how beautiful they blend, how they sink into your skin, how they're so thin. It's like you're not actually putting a lot of product on, but they have incredible shine, and they don't enhance your texture. One of my most recommended products for you to get during the Sephora sale is the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand, because I just love the color of this one so much, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in comparison. Spotlight is definitely another great one. Here's the Pillow Talk one next to Spotlight. Spotlight is a bit more shiny, also a bit more warm. And then the Pillow Talk shade, which has been a favorite of mine forever, is just, you know, a bit more pink, not as light, but they both have amazing shine. And here is what the size difference is, just for reference. The full size has 0.4 fluid ounces, while the small little one has 0.16 fluid ounces. You definitely get more bang for your buck when you buy the full size. However, this small little kit gives you the option of trying two different shades instead of one, and they're both beautiful, plus very travel friendly. I have no regrets. Let me show you the next one, which is the Pink Gasm shade. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to put it next to the Pillow Talk one so we can see the difference between the three. Now, Pink Gasm on me, I don't love as a highlighter. I actually love it more as a blush. So take a look right here, see how it's a lot darker than the Pillow Talk shade. The Pillow Talk shade is an actual highlighter shade for me, while Pink Gasm has incredible shine, but it is more of a blush shade for sure. Now, the good thing about this is I usually don't like very glowy blushes because I feel like they enhance my pores and the texture on my face, maybe my dryness. And this right here, the liquid Pink Gasm from Charlotte Tilbury, I have worn before. I used to work at a Charlotte Tilbury counter, if you guys don't know, and I put it on so many faces, and I swear to God, it does not enhance your texture at all, and it gives you the most youthful, plump, beautiful cheeks ever. So love that. I am so glad that it's now part of my collection, and I could not recommend it enough. So like I said, you do get a bit more bang for your buck when you buy the full sizes of this, but this kit was so cute, I didn't want to pass it on, and I got two different shades instead of one, and I know that these will last me a long time as well, because I don't see me ever getting through a whole Pillow Talk thing, but we'll see. Only time will tell. One product in the exact same packaging that I have fully gone through is this right here, the Hollywood Contour Wand. I have mine in the light medium shade, and as you can see, there is no product left in here at all. Can you see? Here we go. Squeeze all the way down. No product left. I did finish this one just a few days ago. I was squeezing the last little drops out of this, and so of course, this being one of my all-time favorite contour products, if not probably my all-time favorite contour product ever, I had to take advantage of the Sephora sale and get myself a new one. Now, Contour is a bit different. First of all, I've had this one for probably 3 years, so it definitely took me a while to finish. But also you apply a lot more bronzer and contour than you do highlighter. So I'm still convinced that I'm not really going to need a bigger size of the two that I bought, but I definitely wanted to get a full size of my contour shade because I love this product so much. For the longest time, by the way, it was hard for us to get our hands on these. They were fully sold out. They took months to come back in stock. And even now, they still run out of stock all the time. So if you're wanting to try this for the first time, or if you are in need of a new one, this is the time, because last time I checked, obviously, since I got it, it was in stock at Sephora. And during the sale, you can get it with a 15 or 20% off, which is incredible if you're a VIB or a rouge. Here's the shade that I get, which is the light medium. As you can see, a really nice neutral undertone. I'm going to put a little bit right here to blend it out and show you how beautiful it blends into your skin. This is just such a beautiful thin product. It gives you the most natural looking contour ever. I absolutely love it. And this shade, because it builds up so much and it shears out so much, you can use if you have anywhere from fair to medium complexion. And then they do have a different shade that will work on tan and dark. I absolutely love this product, and I have it for a very long time, so I definitely needed a restock. Now let's move on to the product that I blew my budget on. I just needed these. It's been a while since I've had them, and I know that they will last me a very long time. They're not the most gentle, but they're definitely the most effective, and I'm just so excited to have them again. Plus I got a really good deal on them because I'm a rouge, so I got 20% off, but also these have 30% more product already than they originally come with. If you look on the Sephora website, you will see that the Dr. Dennis Gross HA/BHA pads retail for $150 when you buy a pack of 60. And this particular kit right here that they launched for the holiday season comes with 90. So already you're getting a 30% or 33% off discount right there, plus a 20% off on top. It was just a good deal, okay? All of this is what I'm telling myself to justify this purchase, because this was $150, but it is just so good. Let me open the box, which by the way says it is a $238 value. So as you can see in the box, you have the red and orange labels. The orange is the original one, the one they had for years and years, that works amazingly, and that is actually my preferred one to use if I'm going to use it on a daily basis. But I didn't quite buy this to use it on a daily basis because I have my Paula's Choice Daily Peel that I do use a lot more often. This is just for when my skin needs a week or two of a stronger treatment to get rid of everything I want to get rid of, and then go back to using the stuff that I use on a daily basis, which is more gentle but also a lot more affordable. All of that is why I thought it was a good idea to get this kit, even though this has mostly extra strength pads, because I plan on using these for a few days when I need them most, not until the box runs out. Anyways, in this big box of Dr. Dennis Gross extra strength peels, I have 60 treatments. This is the way they come, by the way. You can kind of tear apart all of these little box handles and keep them just like this in your drawer. And this is what a little treatment looks like. So you have step 1 and step 2. The way you use these is with a clean face. You get step 1 out of here. It's just a wet towelette. You rub it all over your face. If I have any areas of the face that I want to concentrate on, maybe like the nose, because I have blackheads or whatever the case might be, I rub a little bit extra right there. You wait 2 minutes for the treatment to do its job, because this is a chemical peel. That sounds very aggressive. It's not that aggressive. Your skin won't be visibly peeling off your face. So after 2 minutes, you go for step 2, rub it all over the face again, wait 2 more minutes, and then you can proceed to apply your moisturizer. Also, I just realized that I didn't get 90 treatments, I actually got 95, because the regular strength Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads that come in the smaller box, which are also very, very effective, come with not 30 but 35 of the regular treatments. So $120 for 95 peels. I know it's still expensive, but this stuff you can't get any cheaper, I don't think. I've never seen this discounted any further than this, so I took advantage. A much more affordable option to these, and what I actually use on a daily basis, is, I'm going to put a picture right here because it's in my bathroom, the Paula's Choice BHA treatment. This stuff is very effective, also amazing, and a lot more affordable. I know that this wasn't a long one and that these weren't that many products, but this is part 2 of my Sephora haul right here. If you haven't seen the first video I uploaded, I highly recommend it. I'm going to link it on the eye up there, and you can see the rest of the products I got from the Sephora sale in that video, which are also pretty exciting. One more thing I wanted to do was do an update on my Prada Milano Paradox fragrance. I've had it for 3 to 4 days now. I've worn it every day since I got it because I'm obsessed. This smells delicious. You can hear all about the notes in my previous video, but I wanted to talk to you guys about longevity. And on me, it's been lasting all day. My husband keeps complimenting me on how good I smell, and I could not recommend this fragrance enough. This is the fragrance to get during the Sephora VIB sale, so I'll have the link to it down below if you're interested. You guys need to smell this. It's delicious. They have travel sizes, they have little bundles. I'm obsessed, in love. And if you want to smell something really nice and new and yummy, Prada Paradox is the fragrance to try. So this is it for my Sephora VIB sale haul part 2. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. The links to everything I talked about are down below in the description box, so definitely check them out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you so much, and I hope to see you back in the next one. Bye bye.